Hi, sweet friends, and welcome. I'm Cassandra. This is Yoga for Sleep, part of your nighttime ritual to help you get better and deeper sleep. Please excuse my strange voice as I am healing from a sinus infection. All right, let's go ahead and begin in a tabletop pose. So hands are right under the shoulders, knees are under the hips. Just take a minute here. Kind of wiggle yourself around, maybe bring the knees a bit wider than hip width, big toes come to touch, and we're going to sit our hips back for child's pose. Reach the arms forward, really stretching, gripping with the fingers, tucking the chin, maybe resting the forehead on the bed, continuing to walk the fingertips forward and get a nice stretch. And let's take 5 grounding breaths here, just sticking with the in and out breath completely. Nice, long, slow, deep breaths, maybe wiggling your tush down a little bit. And when you are complete, go ahead and walk the hands back a little bit. Inhale up into your tabletop pose, and then drop the hips down and forward onto the pelvis for up dog. Maybe looking up, looking over each shoulder. Coming back through tabletop to child's pose. So we're just going to flow here. Inhaling up, tabletop to up dog. Exhaling back, child's pose. Move at your own pace. Maybe taking a couple of cat and cows at the top. Maybe moving around the head and the neck. Whatever feels good. Go ahead and reach for that yummy sensation wherever you're experiencing it. Beautiful. Just move through a couple more here, taking your time. Let's just take a final child's pose and then come all the way up through tabletop into your upward facing dog, and we're going to take a few rolling cobras. So go ahead and lower your chest all the way down to the bed. Hands are under shoulders. Inhale, tuck the chin, reach up, straighten your arms, look up towards the ceiling. I almost said sky. Exhale, reaching the chin forward, come down. So we're just doing a few of these rolling or undulating cobras up and down. And if it's hurting your lower back, just don't straighten your arms fully. Keep a nice deep bend. Last one, inhale. Exhale, roll down. Let's go ahead and roll onto our back. So do that however feels comfortable for you. All right, let's put one hand on the chest, one on the belly, and windshield wiper the knees left and right. So dropping both knees to the left and both knees to the right, coming through center. Gorgeous. All right, coming back through center, allow the knees to rest against one another. Palms are facing up on the bed. Come back to your long, slow, deep breaths. Breathing in and out of the nose, making the exhale at least 6 seconds long, and the inhale 4 to 5 seconds. And this is where I leave you this evening, my friends. I hope you enjoy your sleep.